All right, friends, what we have here today is a Viking hot tub. It's 85 by 85, 39¼ tall. Composite side panels, has a stereo. You can see it's got nice LED lights in it. It's got 4 hot seats, no lounge. Neck pillows and 4 seats, brand new Kenwood speakers. It's got LED lights, got a waterfall back there. Every time you turn the lights off and on, it does a different function. Turn that jet on back there. So you got a nice waterfall happening back there. That's the other pump. It runs good, it looks good, got a brand new cover. Nice stereo. Gonna make somebody a real nice hot tub. Runs good, looks good. Come and get her today. Come and see the Spa Guy.